You never know who might be the next big thing, but in the meantime, here's the Intense 5. A new royal has arrived, and no, his name is not Arthur or Philip or any of the usual names. Baby Sussex has been named Archie. You can imagine how many people lost that bet. Yeah.
Zendaya's Cinderella dress at the Met Gala. No man, fairy godmother and all. Really magical.
Who's messing with Cardi's hobby? Offset narrowly escaped a drive-by shooting at the studio he was recording at. Reports state that shots were fired a few minutes after Offset stepped outside the studio. There was lots of damage to the building, but luckily no one was hurt.
Imagine finding possibly $1 million in an ATM. Would you turn it over? Well, Acacia Green did, and even though her mother called her stupid, Acacia said she did the right thing. Big ups to you, girl. Wouldn't be me, but big up yourself.
Actually, them have cameras in the ATM.
Alright, fine, come for me.
Wow.
Come for me, my habit.
And finally holding the spot this week, Lady Gaga at the Met Gala. No man, she go hard. She literally peeled off the layers right on the steps in a way only Gaga could. Like,
love her.
Only.
Love.
But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at TVJ Intense.
Up next, Sean Nizzle talks new music. Intense soon forward.